Hey guys, vanakkam and welcome back to my channel. This is Rideran. Today Jan 10th, 5th day of our ride. Today we are riding to Gooty in Andhra Pradesh, which is around 280 km from Badami, and it takes close to 7 hours to reach there. And we are not sure about the road conditions. We plan to reach Gooty before 6 p.m. including our tea breaks and lunch break. Alright guys, we reached Gooty now and it's around 5:30 p.m. We'll go and find a room for stay and I'll catch you guys in my day 6 video. Take care, cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to my day 6 video. Today we are going to visit Gooty Fort and Belum Caves, and finally we are going to visit Grand Canyon of India. Now we are close to Gooty Fort. Let's go and see the place. Alright guys, now we are on the way to Belum Caves, which is around 64 km from Gooty, and it will take around 2 hours to reach. We will catch you guys in Belum Caves. Finally we reached Belum Caves. Let's go inside and see. Alright guys, we are done with Belum Caves. Now we are going out and we have to ride to Gandikotta now. Let's catch you guys in Gandikotta. Guys, now we are in Gandikotta. We almost reached the place, and from Belum it is around 62 km and it takes around 2.5 hours to reach here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Day 6 is over here. We'll catch you guys in the day 7 video. Until then, Rider and is signing off. Take care. Cheers.